Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan here. So you may have wondered at some point how people become wealthy. I hate to break it to you, but they didn't just get lucky. They all followed a specific set of principles to build their wealth. I believe that almost anyone could follow these principles and become wealthy themselves. So in this video, I'll discuss the steps that you should take to become a millionaire. I hope this video gives you value and some unique perspective. So let's get right into the video. Before we do, let's hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. The first step you should take to become a millionaire is to take advantage of your employer's 401k plan. Some employers will match an employee's contribution to their 401k plan. Basically, this means for every dollar that you put into the account, your employer will put $1 as well. The match basically acts as free money, and who doesn't want free money? There's no other investment on planet Earth that'll give you a better return than an employer's match on a 401k plan. So if this option is available to you, I highly recommend that you take advantage of it. The second step you should take is to make a budget. You can't improve your finances unless if you track where your money is going. Assigning jobs to your dollar is critical to becoming a millionaire. You have to know where your dollars are going, have a written out plan on how you want to spend your money. A budget will also help you weed out any unnecessary expenses that might be stopping you from becoming a millionaire. To make a budget, you can use an online service like mint.com or even a simple Excel spreadsheet. By doing just this step, you can put yourself ahead of a majority of people. And most people aren't millionaires, so this is definitely something that most, if not all, millionaires do. So the third step you want to take to become a millionaire is to pay off all high interest debt. Wealthy people avoid high interest debt at all costs. In some cases, high interest rate debt can be the enemy of building wealth, as it could put a significant drag on your overall financial picture. High interest debt is any debt that has a 5% interest rate or higher, and you should focus on paying these debts off as soon as possible after you make a budget and you've taken advantage of your employer's 401k match. So to pay off high interest debt, there's two different strategies you could take. You could do the debt avalanche method, which is basically you would make a list from the highest interest rate debt to the lowest interest rate debt, and you'd pay off all those debt from top to bottom. This method is the most efficient and will save you the most amount of money over the long term. There's a second method called the debt snowball method. This is a method that's preached a lot by Dave Ramsey. And basically that's where you get the lowest balance debt to the highest balance debt, and you pay off the debt in that order. It helps a lot with the psychology of paying off debt because it allows you to close more accounts faster. So if you're someone who needs that psychological boost, this may be a better way to pay off debt versus the debt avalanche method. And another thing about high interest debt as well, you have to avoid collecting it at all costs. So you gotta avoid the credit card debt, the debt on recreational vehicles or on boats. All those kind of things have very high rates. So you have to be very careful to avoid them at all costs. So the fourth step to becoming a millionaire is to hit the like button for a YouTube algorithm. Okay, I was just joking. The fourth step to becoming a millionaire is to build an emergency fund. So emergency fund should have about 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up. Most people like to keep this emergency fund money in some kind of cash form, where it's a savings account or a money market account, but most people usually like a savings account. I actually keep my emergency fund in the stock market, but I'll explain why I do that in a different video. The money that you save for your emergency fund should only be for actual emergencies. And by actual emergency, I mean like a job loss or you have to fix your car. I don't mean like, oh, Louis Vuitton's having a 50% off sale and I really need a new purse. Not that sale. Or not I need to buy a new 49ers jersey sale. No, this money needs to only be used for essential things. And you should never borrow from this account either. So don't go and borrow $1,000 to go buy the new iPhone or something like that and then say, oh, I'll pay it back later. No, that is not what this money is for. This money is strictly for emergencies. The fifth step to becoming a millionaire is to invest in yourself. So at this point, you're probably doing everything you can to save as much money as possible to join the ranks of the wealthy. But In some cases, you may be trying to save as much money as possible and you may still not be reaching your financial goals. And that makes investing in yourself very important. Investing in yourself basically is anytime you use money to try to make more money. So whether that's maybe taking a training to possibly get a promotion at your job, or to spend money in some way to grow your income or to grow your wealth. So there's multiple different ways you could do this. Like I just said, you could use it to take trainings to possibly get a promotion at work or to get a better job. You can use it to invest back in your business if you're self-employed or if you have a side hustle. You can also invest this into self-education, whether that's self-help or improving your quality of life in some way. And investing in yourself has a much higher ROI than investing in stocks or real estate or a business or anything like that. Step number 6 is to invest your money. And typically you want to invest your money into appreciating assets. Appreciating assets are assets that go up in value over time. The three most common types of appreciating assets are stocks, real estate, and businesses. And the nice thing about appreciating assets is that they typically grow in value over time. And usually they grow in value without you having to do too much additional work. So by combining investing your money into appreciating assets with saving money, you can really build your net worth very quickly. With stocks, you can invest into tax advantage plans like the IRA or the 401k, which can save you some money in taxes over the long run, which can even help grow your net worth even more over time. And this step is very critical if you want to be able to build your wealth at a very rapid rate. So there you have it. That's the 6 steps that you need to take to become a millionaire. When you boil it down, it basically comes down to 2 simple things. Spend less money than you earn, save and invest the rest. I hope this video was helpful and gave you insight on how anyone could become a millionaire. I would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the information shared in this video, please hit the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment down below. I respond to every comment that's posted. Also check out the link down below for Webull, where you can get 2 free stocks with each of them worth anywhere from $800 to $1,600 after you deposit $100 into your account. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I try to post there every day. And thank you for watching. Until next time.